just happened. I just remember seeing the monkey last time. She like hurt me or something. The monkey's eating popcorn? You think we're safe? Huh? You think we're safe? It's the monkey, I know. Monkey. Oh. I broke her ankles. I don't know where she's at. I'm scared. I hear her.
Pull up in that drop top, you won't deny that. You say it's an upgrade, just watch me smile back. You know I've been eyeing you since like the 10th grade. I just want that smile back, can you please just smile? Watch me pull up in that drop top, you won't deny that. You say it's an upgrade, just watch me smile back. You know I've been eyeing you since like the 10th grade. I just want that smile back, can you?
I don't know what just happened. Yo, I don't know what just happened. I just remember seeing the monkey last time. She like hurt me or something. It's my sister, Emily. Let's see where she's at. She's right there. The monkey's eating popcorn? She almost saw me. What? How a monkey holding a gun? Oh, I gotta help her. Get her. Ah! She's coming. She's coming. She's coming. She's coming. She's coming. She's coming. Ah! Oh, oh, she's fast. Oh, this monkey's fast. Oh. Whoa, 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 whoa. Get her, get her, get her, get her, get her. Get her, get her, get her, get her. Ah! 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 I don't know what to do, y'all. She's trying to shoot me. This monkey is smart. I feel like monkeys are humans. Yeah, they pretty much are humans. Huh? Oh yeah, I feel like I'm on Planet of the Apes. Is that a ruler? What is that? Oh, that's a knife? She turned into Michael Myers. This monkey turned into Michael Myers. Ah! Ah! Why does she keep chasing me? Stop! Okay, I'll give up. Okay, monkey, I'll listen. Oh, you got an arm. Okay, I give up. I'll listen. I'm tired. Are you okay? What do you want me to do, monkey? You want me to pick it up? Now what? Oh, you want it? What the? Whoa. What do you want, monkey? The monkey is not responding. So I'm gonna just leave. I'm gonna just leave. I'm gonna just leave. I'm gonna hide. I'm gonna hide. I'm gonna hide, yo. I'm gonna hide. We in this bathroom. We in this bathroom. You think we're safe? Huh? You think we're safe? It's the monkey, I know. Monkey. Look, look. Ah! Ah! Oh, you think we're safe? You think we're... Ah! 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 Sit on the toilet. Sit on the toilet. Sit on the toilet. Ah! Don't let her get you. Sit on the toilet. Sit on the toilet. Ah! Oh, it is there. Oh no. Oh no. Oh. She's gonna open the door. She's gonna open the door. Ah.
You have 5 seconds to hide, and then you only have to hide in the bathroom.
Ah! 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 Run, run, run! Run, Arabella, run! Ah! Jump it over. I broke her ankles. I broke her ankle. Look, I got her. Look, she's over there. She's over there. We gotta hide. We gotta hide. Where do we hide? We gotta hide. Hide, hide. I'm gonna hide under this blanket. I'm scared, y'all. I don't know where she's at. She found me. Oh my God. What do you want from me? What do you want? I tried giving up. What do you want? What do you want? Oh, oh, whoa, whoa. Okay, 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 okay. Ah, ah. What do you want? Ah. Don't hit me.
Then you got 5 seconds to run.
You're gonna give me 5 seconds to run? Since when the monkey know how to talk now? Oh, we gotta run. We gotta run. We gotta run.
1,
We gotta run.
2,
We gotta run.
3.
We gotta run. We gotta run. We gotta run. I'm hiding in this bathroom. I'm hiding in this bathroom. I'm hiding in this toilet. I don't know where she's at. I'm scared. I just woke up and I found out that she can eat. She can act like a human. I thought monkeys just act like monkeys, but this monkey's acting like a human. She eats like a human. Like she sits down like a human. She talks now. I don't know what I just created. You think I have to give her a touch again or booba? What do I do, y'all? Okay. You got me. Tell me what I need to do.
Get out now.
Just tell me, okay. Ow. Okay. What I do now? You want me to sit?
Go.
What do I do now? Where do you want me to go?
Me.
You just fart on me? Did you just fart?
The scary room.
You want me to go in there? For how long? 5 hours?
Just kidding. 2 minutes.
Okay.
50 seconds. 50 seconds.
50 seconds? Oh my god.
No second.
Okay.
I mean, yeah, second.
Okay.
But no talk.
Okay. I ain't gonna lie to you. She got me messed up thinking I'm not finna talk. Come on now. I'm finna talk. I can't believe I got in this situation. 50s. Hey, I'm glad it's not 50 minutes. It's 50 seconds.
No! Tita!
Yeah. Oh, you're in here. Oh, hold on. Watch your finger. You're in here with me too?
Try to open the door.
Huh?
Try to open the door.
Try to open it?
Yeah. Wait, not yet.
You want me to try to open it now?
Yeah.
You okay? You okay? Huh? Hey, Bella, are you okay?
Try to open.
Okay. Let's try to open this. Oh my gosh. I'm stuck in here. We're stuck in here.
Huh?
We're stuck in here.
I got it.
Huh? We're stuck. What do we do?
What do? Do you want to see?
Ah. Bro, we're stuck.
I suck.
We're stuck. Uh-oh. Oh. Guys. I promise you guys, I'm trying. We're really stuck. I don't know what's going on with this monkey. This monkey is like playing with my feelings or something. It like wants to see me suffer. Huh?
First of all,
Huh?
I'm not a monkey, first of all.
What are you?
A killer.
A killer? I thought you turned into a monkey.
Yeah, that's my other friend.
So I'm messing with somebody else? Where's the monkey at?
Chillin'.
Chilling.
Try to open now.
Okay, let's try to open it. Oh, we got a little bit of it open. Oh, sorry. I think it's been 50 seconds. Yeah? Huh?
Tita.
Can we get out? Say, Tita, can we get out?
Tita, get off! Come out now.
Open it. Open the door. No, open it. Ah! Go. Go. You want us to get out? You want us to get out? Nope. Okay. Ow. Ah. Ugh.
Now give me one. I mean, give me that little baby drink right there.
What do you want?
That by the aisle.
This?
Yes.
Now what? Are you serious? You couldn't just grab it yourself? There's no.
Whoa.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. What's going on?
What do you want? I'm Michael Myers.
Michael, what did this turn into? I don't even know what's going on. I give up. I give up. What am I supposed to do? How am I even supposed to get my sister back? You keep turning into too many people. I just want my sister back. What's the deal?
I'm walking down the stairs now.
You're walking down the stairs? I didn't even know there was a stairs. Is this monster or whatever it is? Are they like magical or something? What the? Okay, come on. Can we work something out, please? Cause oh my gosh, the whole time you just been trying to hurt me. What's up? Can we be friends or something? Hello? You're scaring me. Why aren't you saying anything?
Let me drink something real quick.
See, you know, I would say okay. Okay, look, you drinking already. Every time you drink something, you just okay. You just do that. You turn it to.
I am a killer robot.
Oh, now she a robot. Now she a robot. Now she a robot. Oh my gosh.
Hi, my name's Megan.
Who?
Megan. Megan.
Megan. I just want my sister back. I'm trying to be on some friendly stuff, and you over here trying to take me out. And I gave up so many times, but you just like to see me suffer and run. Can we talk this out, please? Can you drink something other than whatever it is you drinking to turn into something like my sister, please? And you look, you going for the same exact drink. That's crazy. Well, I wonder what you turn into now. Can I please get my sister back, please? Please? Oh my gosh, she just turned into a dog. That's crazy. Now, let's hope this dog is friendly. Are you friendly? Ah! Okay, are you friendly? Sit down, sit. Oh, see, look, you are friendly. Okay, you are, yeah, okay. You ain't, okay, relax, you ain't got to do all that. Okay, look, how about if I give you some water? Let me try to give you some water, see if you turn into my sister, because I want my sister back ASAP Rocky. And we going to do whatever we got to get my sister back, okay? Let's see how this is. Hey, doggy, come here. You want some water? Excuse me, dog. Hey, excuse me. You want some water? Drink some water, please. Drink some water. Please get my sister back, please.
Please.
Get my sister back, please. Please get my sister back, please. Look, I just want.
Shit.
What the? Okay, you know what? Maybe I gotta get that same drink and give it to you again. I'm actually thirsty though. Okay. Let's try this one more time. We're gonna use this cup and we're gonna see what she turns into next. Hopefully it's my sister. Here, drink this. Drink it. Drink it. Whoa. She done turned into a cat. Okay, look, we gonna give it to you again. Can you drink this again? A sheep? Bro. Hey, listen here. Oh, you're a sheep too? I got 2 sheep. Here, drink it again. Drink it again. Whoa, whoa, whoa. What are you trying to attack me for? Here, drink this. Yo, yo. What is y'all on? How you turn into something? Oh my gosh.
I'm a goat and I
You're
have
a goat?
horns.
Okay, yeah, you know what? You're gonna have to drink it again because I don't like goats. Turn into my sister, please. What is that?
Spider.
A spider? You know, see, look, I don't like spiders. You know what? Here, I'm gonna just have to give you some more of that because I don't like spiders. Nah, you gonna drink this. Hey, nah, Spider, you go. Hey, Spider, you gonna drink this. Spider, you gonna drink this. Hey, Spider, Spider. Nah, you ain't going nowhere, Spider. You gonna drink this, Spider. Drink it, Spider. Drink it. There you go. Turn into my sister, please. Otherwise, I give up. I give up and I'm going home. She done turn into a pig, bro. Both of them. I'm gonna try this one more time. And if you don't turn into my sister, I think I'm gonna have to call somebody. Here, drink this again. What is this? Why is this pig writing? Drink this. What does that say? I don't even know what that says. Oh, help! That's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to help you. Help me. What did I say?
Sis.
Oh, drink it again. See, look, y'all. I knew my sister was in there. Yeah, let her drink it. Let her drink it again. All right. Uh-oh. Please be my sister. Please be my sister. It's a cow. It's a cow. Here, give her the drink again. Give her the drink again. Give her the drink again. Give it to her. Here, I'll give it to her. Drink. Okay, Cal, come here, look. I want to show you something, Cal. Come here, look. Look at this. I need you to look at this. It says, put me on here. Cal, look at this. No, Cal. Come here, look. Here, let go of this. Oh, look at this, please. Look at this. Look at this. Go there, please. Hold on. No, come here. Look at this. No, look at this. Look at this. No, look at this. Look at this. Please look at that. Please look at it. Please. All right, you guys. I don't know what to do. Oh, wait. Uh-oh. She's looking. The cow is looking. I think that did it. Emily?
Isaiah?
I got you back. Come here. I got you back. Where were you?
In Animal Land.
In Animal Land? And that explains as to why you were all these animals. Are you okay?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm so glad to have my sister back. Yes.
Now you promised me you don't get that drink anymore.
Yeah, I will never give you that drink ever again.
Even water.
Even water. All right, you got it. I'm just so glad to have you back.
Same.
Yes, we did it. What they did. It says thank you.
Who wrote that?
I think the world that you were in, they said thank you for getting me back.
A.
So happy to have
there's
you back.
a lot of shrimp in there.
Yeah. Okay, let's go home, okay? Let's go. Woo! Yeah.
All my dogs, they pull up with me. If you beefin', we roll deepin', ain't no ducking me. Cause that's my crew, yeah. We run through, yeah. And you knew what we gon' do, we push on through, yeah. All my dogs, they pull up with me. If you beefin', we roll deep.